homies. Niggas come up with girls. It's time to get live tonight. About to hit the dance floor. Show you how we do it down in Charleston. Hey, let's go. Go straight to the dance floor with a couple of friends. I saw the sexy lady with some high heel boots. She was hanging with some girl with the days of boots. So I walked in her direction cause the light was asleep. You come to find out she was looking at me. Then she turned her thing around and started backing it up. So I had to grab my pants and start jacking it up.